Okay, so here in the first question, look at what he is asking you. Energy resources can be renewable or non-renewable. You know the meanings. Renewable means it will never finish, like the sunlight, it will never run out, and they create also no pollution or global warming effect. And non-renewable, like fossil fuels, oil, gas, coal, when we, okay, they will finish out, they will run out with time. And also they are the reason of pollution in the environment. Okay, and also global warming, heating effect, thermal effects in the surrounding areas in the atmosphere. So look that coal is also non-renewable. Okay, energy resource. Name two other non-renewable. Now you have to not mention coal again, because you say other non-renewable energy resources. Okay, so what are others? Write the names here. For example, you can write here oil, you can write here gas, natural gas, or in the same way you can write also another one here, nuclear energy source. Both are nuclear as well, both are non-renewable. Okay, so in this way, but here don't write the coal again, because some friends write coal again. We have to read the question, try to understand it. Okay, here the graph reading. Wind turbines are used to generate electricity. The graph below shows how the power output of a wind turbine changes over one day. Look that power change, output of the wind turbine change. It means this is not reliable. We do not trust on it. Its value will change. Okay, look, sometimes the power is maximum, some time the power is very low, maybe zero, sometimes even. So this power source is not reliable. Mostly the renewable sources like solar or wind, they depends on the weather. It's not reliable, and the weather conditions as well. So here look on this question. A wind turbine does not generate electricity constantly. Yes, it looks from the graph clearly. For how many hours did the wind turbine generate no electricity? If you look here, during this time, from here to here, no electricity. Okay, what is this time? 0, 4, between is 2, okay? So 4, 6, 8, 10 here, 12. So it means here is the 14 and here is 18. So what is the distance between 14 hours to 18 hours? What is the time it takes? 4 hours. Okay, so your answer will be here. 4 hours is our time. 4 hours, no, because he asked how many hours? 4 hours. So try to answer according to the question. Read it. How many meaning he's asking the number of hours. Okay, if we go here in the page number 2 now, look. Electric power is transferred from power stations to the national grid. Okay, from power station. Produce it. It can be anything, hydroelectric, wind, or coal power, anything, to the national grid. What is the national grid? A national grid is a system of cables and transformers. Maybe you see it. This system is named as national grid. An island has a large number of wind turbines and a coal-fired power station. Both things, large number of wind power and only one coal power station. The island needs to use electricity generated by the coal-fired power station at certain times. At certain time, okay. He also need to use electricity by the coal-fired power. Why? The reason is that you know that the output of wind turbine is unpredictable. It's variable. So to make a constant flow of output, we need coal as well. A wind turbine has average power of this. This is output power, useful power, okay? Coal-fired power station has a continuous power output of this. 1500 megawatt. M stands for mega, W for watt. Watt is the unit of power. Calculate how many wind turbines would be needed to generate the same power output as one coal-fired power station. Okay, so how you will find it? Simply think you want to generate 1500 megawatt, and one wind turbine only produce 0.6. Is simply divide it and you will get the number of turbines. So your answer will be here 2500. How many turbines we need? So right here 2500. Thank you.